We are here at Eataly in Toronto, Ontario, and we got a cool Schindler 5500 nearly full glass Scenic elevator. Look at this, it's got EPCO fixtures.
On course. Elevator is going up.
Doesn't know where it wants to go.
Floor 2. Elevator is going down.
Look at the belts.
On course. Elevator is going up. Floor 2. Elevator is going down.
That's a weird floor indicator.
Floor 1.
Wow, that looks really good. Winter door equipment.